Hello everyone, Jillian from Jillian Vance Design here, and today I have my lovely mother here to show you guys how to create beautiful flowers with the Iris Bloom die set, which will be part of our 10th birthday release, and I'm so excited. So she's going to show you how, and so I'll let her take it away.
Thank you very much. So we have an iris die. However, these petals can be used to make whatever you want to make. And I was just playing around. Now it doesn't have a center yet, but I was just playing around and created that, which looks like a begonia to me. So I need to get a center figured out for that. But this is the iris die. It has embossing lines and stitching lines on this part, your leaves and your stamens and a stem. So I made a card, just a basic, but see these lines? I kind of went and took my colored pencil and just kind of scribbled on them. So you can do that to just create a little texture. You can also use watercolor paper and some water-based inks. We like Catherine Pooler. And you can just kind of create your own little textures however you want. Now, one of these petals layers is smaller.
One of these things is not like the others.
So literally I am scribbling on these. And this is kind of that in-between layer that you see on some of the irises. So I'm just lightly coloring this a little bit. Okay, so we are talking with Elizabeth Crafts Designs about getting some of their toolkits to carry in the booth so that we can do that. This is an old stylus and an old mat I've had forever and a day. Actually more than 10 years because it was before Jillian even started her business. So just kind of take your stylus, and this is the smaller one, and just kind of work it up to that so that we can make that the top part. Then these, you want to work on the back side because they're going to curl under. So they're going to be like that. Then this part is, like I said, what kind of curls down. I'm just kind of like curling ribbon. And those will kind of fit in there. Take my Just Glue It. Move the pad. Don't ever glue on your pad. Ask me how I know. Because then you have a total mess. So I just lay that on there.
I really like those colors together.
Thank you.
Very good combination.
Thank you. Thank you very much. So your bottom layer will turn under, and it's the larger layer. And you can tell there's just, I don't know, maybe 20% different, but this is your larger layer, smaller layer. This goes up, this goes down. This kind of fills in around the edges. Then you have your stamens.
Move up a little bit.
And you want to glue those and roll them up just like you do the tassel on the bookmark. Hold them, but kind of spread them apart a little bit.
Just like we did with the daffodil.
Just like the daffodil.
If you saw that video. If not, all these will be linked down below or in a playlist that I will put up in the top corner.
Then just kind of put the stamens in the middle. Hold it for a minute. And there you have your daffodil.
Iris.
There you have your iris. I don't have my flowers. It's an iris. Okay. So when you put it on the card, you can put them sideways. You can really arrange it however you want, but I wanted to make it kind of pop out. So there's that, but you could definitely flatten it out. And there you have it.
All right, everyone, thank you so much for watching. If you want to watch the next video, please, oh, yes. This Iris Bloom die set retails for $25.95 and it will go on sale on January 10th. So by the time you're watching this video, it's probably available on our website to purchase. So yeah.
And again, experiment, because these petals can make many different flowers besides just the iris.
Yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next one. If you want to keep moving along, I will link all the videos down below so that you can keep watching and following the release. So we'll see you guys later. Bye.
Bye.